Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be cooking the really hot lamb vindaloo restaurant style. So it's you need 2 teaspoons of oil, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of desi style mixed powder, half a pint of base gravy, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 5 to 6 pieces of lamb. It's up to you, you can put a little bit more. Pre-cooked lamb that is. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and about 3 teaspoons of chili powder. We've got our own branded chili. So yeah, that's what you're going to need for a vindaloo. Please guys, subscribe, comment, like, ask me any questions and I'll try and answer you back. Don't forget the garlic, ginger paste, tomato puree and the pre-cooked lamb will be on my descriptions. There'll be a link so you know how to pre-cook the lamb or what you need. So yeah guys, please feel free to ask me any questions and we're going to be making a vindaloo. Okay guys, so we're starting with 2 teaspoons of oil and that's starting to sizzle already. I've got quite a powerful cooker. It's not going to take long. Then we're going to put our garlic and ginger paste in. Can you hear that sizzling now? So, just going to let that cook for slightly a little bit. You don't want it will get burnt very quick, so you don't want it to burn. You just want to let it go a little bit goldenly. Then we've got our tomato puree. Put about 1.5 teaspoons of that in there. Then we've got 2 teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder. Put it on low gas when you put the spice in, otherwise it's going to burn. So just let it just marinate in. And then we've got some lemon juice for a couple of teaspoons. I think I just roughly kind of put it in, but you guys can measure it at home. So then you've got 3 teaspoons of chili powder. That will make it nice and spicy, really hot vindaloo. Cool. So now it's time to add your lamb pieces, or pre-cooked lamb. So up to you how many you want to put. I'm doing a demo, so I'm just going to put about 4. But if you want 5 or 6 in a portion, we normally give about 7 to 8 pieces in the restaurant per portion. So you mix the spices along. And then you've got half pint of base gravy. Now, lamb curry, madras and vindaloo are saucy curries. So you want plenty of base gravy in there. And what you want to do is you can keep adding more base if you need it. So while you're cooking it, it will dry up a bit more, so add plenty in there. They're saucy curries, they're not dry curries. And then leave it on medium gas if you've got time, so the lamb gets tender quick. If you want to put it on full gas, you can, but you have to keep stirring it. So the curry's bubbling up nicely. As you can see, the colour's gone slightly darker. Should go a little bit darker. As it cooks, it will get darker. So it's bubbling up nicely. The lamb is nice and soft now. So it's very nearly there. We're just gonna add some coriander to it. My curry is quite shiny, so if you have a look at it, your curry should be shiny. If it's not that shiny, just add a tad of oil and it'll give it a nice sheen. Can you see? It's very nice and shiny. What you don't want is a flat looking curry that's not shiny. It just looks better. So I've put enough oil in there. It's got that natural sheen. If you find your one isn't shining, just add a little bit of oil and it'll just look a lot better. So mine's kind of all right. It's nice thickness. Lamb is soft, so it's ready to serve out really. And there you have it. A lovely lamb vindaloo.